In this video, I will show you how to create a working Excel spreadsheet from within Microsoft Copilot. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. So if you have a Microsoft 365 account and a pro license of Microsoft Copilot, you can use Copilot from within Excel, but completely for free. Look what we can do. Here I am at copilot.microsoft.com, and I'm just going to go to the prompt dialog box. And I'll click and type, create a spreadsheet of 20 fictional employees for a tech company. And I've put in some other pretty specific requirements of what I'm looking for. It's particularly important to think about the column headers that you want, the data types, etc. Okay, let's see what this produces. I'll tap enter, and Microsoft Copilot is trying its best to create what I've asked. It's creating the spreadsheet. And there it is, a working Excel spreadsheet that I can just download by clicking this button. I'll go ahead and click that. While it's downloading, let's look at a summary of what Copilot did. And notice this message here at the bottom. If I'm not satisfied with what was created, I can make adjustments to it. Now in my Downloads folder, here is the spreadsheet that was produced. I'll zoom in. And with a few simple adjustments, this will be a good-looking functional Excel spreadsheet. So I've clicked and dragged to highlight columns A through E, and then I'll just double-click between any two columns, and there's my spreadsheet. Now, of course, in most cases, you don't want a spreadsheet with fake information. So in Copilot, when you enter the specifications for what you're looking for, you could give it a list of names, you could give it a list of specific departments, or whatever it might be, and it could do its best to create the spreadsheet that way. But I see this as mostly helpful in creating the structure of your spreadsheet or workbook, and then you can make adjustments from there. Okay, let's look at how we can adjust the results just by entering additional prompts. For example, I'm going to try adding 2 additional employees. How about Claudia Smith, who works in marketing and makes more money than anyone else? Let's see if it can handle that. And she has a performance rating of 5. And we're going to also add Jason Richardson from sales with a performance rating of 2. Let's see what Copilot can do with this. It's trying to update the employee sheet. It's planning. It's making some adjustments. And it says it's ready. Gives me a summary. Let's download it. I'll open it up. Again, I'll make some adjustments just so I can read this better. And there's Claudia Smith, marketing. Wow, she makes a good salary. Looks like the highest in the list. Great performance rating, and there's Jason Richardson in sales, who needs a bit of improvement in his performance. So if you're not ready yet to get a Microsoft 365 subscription or to upgrade Microsoft Copilot, just try creating the Excel file directly in Copilot and then opening it in Excel. You can even make adjustments and edits and then produce the spreadsheet that you need. And notice that I am not even signed in to Copilot. I think this is a great capability, a great feature that we have in Microsoft Copilot. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member, but you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video.